Looking for a 3D printer that combines precision, speed, and ease of use? Whether you're a hobbyist, engineer, or educator, we've rounded up the top 5 best 3D printers on the market right now. From budget-friendly workhorses to professional-grade machines, there's a perfect pick here for every maker and creator. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. Let's start. Number 5. Original Prussa 4 Malawian Quaches 3D Printer. The original Prussa 4 Malawian Quaches continues the legacy of its acclaimed predecessors, combining reliability, precision, and cutting-edge features in one thoughtfully engineered package. Sold as a DIY kit, the 4 Malawian Quaches is a rewarding build for hobbyists and a powerhouse performer for professionals. At the heart of the 4 Malawian Quaches is the next-generation Nextruder, a redesigned extruder system that supports quick-swap nozzles, improved thermal performance, and a load cell sensor for perfect first-layer calibration, completely hands-free. Print quality is exceptional thanks to Prussa's input shaper technology, which reduces vibration artifacts at high speeds, and the 32-bit mainboard that delivers ultra-smooth motion control. The printer's removable spring steel sheets make removing finished prints incredibly easy and prevent damage to your models. Number 4. ELEGOO Mars 4 Ultra 3D Printer. If your focus is ultra-fine detail and high-resolution resin printing, the ELEGOO Mars 4 Ultra is a standout choice. This MSLA 3D printer features a 9-kilopixel, 7-inch monochrome LCD screen with an incredible 8520 by 4320 resolution, making it ideal for miniatures, dental models, or highly detailed prototypes. The Mars 4 Ultra supports blazing fast printing speeds of up to 150 mm per hour when paired with ELEGOO's rapid resin and ACF release film. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. For creators seeking a budget-friendly yet capable FDM printer, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE offers incredible value. Designed with beginners in mind, this compact machine can print up to 250 mm per second and delivers an efficient and straightforward printing experience without sacrificing quality. Setup is refreshingly easy. You can assemble and begin printing in just about 20 minutes. The machine comes with CR Touch for automatic bed leveling and a strain sensor for Z-offset calibration. This minimizes one of the most common hurdles for newcomers. Number 2. QIDI MAX3 3D Printer. The QIDI MAX3 is a large-format, high-speed industrial-grade 3D printer that caters to professionals and serious enthusiasts who need size and performance. With a massive print volume of 325 by 325 by 315 mm and an acceleration of 20,000 mm per second squared, it is capable of fast and precise results on demanding projects. At its core is a robust all-metal frame, reinforced with a 6 mm aluminum heat bed, 10 mm belts, and hardened hollow steel linear shafts. This foundation ensures consistent accuracy even during prolonged, high-speed prints. The printer comes fully assembled and features automatic leveling via Clipper firmware, allowing users to get up and running almost instantly. One of the most versatile printers in its class, the QIDI MAX3 supports both standard filaments like PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, as well as advanced engineering materials such as PA12CF, PETCF, and ABSGF. The dual hot end system, which includes a copper-plated and a high-temperature hardened steel nozzle, allows for seamless switching between regular and high-performance prints. Precision is where the MAX3 truly shines. Its enclosed chamber with dual cooling fans enhances print quality by maintaining consistent internal temperatures, reducing warping and layer separation. 1. FLHV Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. The FLHV Adventurer 5M Pro is redefining entry-level 3D printing by delivering high-end features in a compact, user-friendly machine. Its standout capability is its impressive 600 mm per second print speed, backed by a sturdy Core XY structure and an all-metal frame that guarantees stable, high-speed performance without compromising print quality. Equipped with a quick detachable nozzle that heats to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds and a maximum temperature of 280 degrees Celsius, this printer is ready for a wide range of materials. From lightning-fast FDM machines to ultra-detailed resin printers, these 3D printers offer something for everyone. Whether you're prototyping, crafting, or experimenting, the right printer can elevate your creations. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which printer you would choose or what you're printing next.